And we're back on Channel 39 News at 8. Here's Kathy with breaking news at Stevenson.
Thanks, Jackie. There's been a UFO spotted at Stevenson High School. Witnesses say the aliens were green, had multiple eyes, and antennas, and weird-shaped bodies. Back to you, Amanda and Jackie in the studio.
So this is what people have described. They can look at like anything you want to.
Many have tried to find aliens before, and this is how. Researchers have collected Martian meteorites and have claimed to find possible signs of life on it. The signs of life consist of microorganisms and carbon.
Specialist Dr. Lewis has been doing a study in India searching the red giant, the red brain that fell. He has found no DNA in the cells of brain, which makes him think that that there are no alien life forms.
The most basic kinds of things scientists use to search for aliens are radio telescopes. These huge devices search for any radio activity in space that is not from common things such as black holes or stars. These machines run by SETI. These specialize in aliens. SETI also sends out messages into space to see if anyone responds. Overall, no one has.
Thanks, Kathy. Now Amanda will tell us what organizations deal with alien life.
Oh, well, right now I know two very good organizations that you could go to if you have any extraterrestrial life information. The NARCAP, National Variation Reporting Center on Anonymous Phenomena, or you can go to the NRC, National Resource Council. Both of these organizations can be on the organs of evolutions of life.
Now, these organizations work with evidence. Speaking of evidence, there has been no intelligent life found in our solar system.
Thanks, Jackie, but 60 million years ago there was a meteorite named ALHS4001. 13,000 years ago it landed in Antarctica. The rock was discovered in 1984, but in 1986 scientists discovered the evidence of life containing bacteria.
Besides Earth and Mars, there are no other planets with life. 2 moons may have life. Jupiter's moon Europa has a thick crust which may have water in it. Another moon is Saturn, Titan. It also is very cold, but the atmosphere is just like Earth. It's made of nitrogen, methane, ammonia, and water. And that's all for now. Back to Jackie.
Thank you, Amanda, for the report on organizations and evidence of alien life. Now here's Kathy with the report on Mars.
Welcome to NASA.
Thanks, Jackie. I will be talking about how scientists are learning about life on Mars. In 1996, NASA discovered that there were ancient fossilized microscopic life from Martian meteorites. It was suspected that it had been floating in space since 15 million years ago until it encountered Earth. More evidence that there is life on Mars is the Viking, which is sent there in the 1970s. It gave possible results to determine if bacteria multiplied when gasoline was poured on it. There have been many other microscopic organisms found on Mars that show that life does exist. And now to Jackie.
Okay, thanks, Kathy. What would happen if aliens came to Earth or we contacted them?
If scientists found alien life, they would first confirm it. They wouldn't want to say in their claim. They wouldn't say they came in contact with aliens and be wrong.
Okay, so not until they were 100% sure that they had found life would they say anything. After this, they would call a press conference and tell the media.
Thanks, Jackie. Because once in 1938, a radio adapter of H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds came up with a false statement that life has been on Mars. About 1 million people heard the fake broadcast and believed that aliens were invading.
Only because we have not actually come across contact with any aliens, no one is sure how the public will react.
Wow, today we had a huge cover story on what many fear about. Thanks for listening and tune in again for our next report.